to my channel. Today on my channel, I'll be teaching you how to prepare Scotch egg. Come with me guys and I'll show you the ingredients I'll be using today. Right here, I've got my seasoning ready. Here, I've got flour ready. Here, I've got eggs ready. Here, I've got my breadcrumb ready. Here, I've got my sausage ready. Here, I've got my mixing bowl ready. And right here, I've got my cooking pot ready. Come with me guys and let's get cooking. First, I'm going to start by boiling my eggs. In goes my eggs into hot boiling water. I'm going to allow it to boil for at least 10 minutes. Afterwards, I'm going to allow cold water to run through it and then peel the eggs. As you can see, eggs have boiled for 10 minutes and is ready. So I'm going to run cold water through the eggs, allow it to cool down a bit, and then start peeling the eggs. After peeling the eggs, my eggs will look exactly like this. Now it's time for me to start mixing the sausage. But before I start, I'm going to remove the sausage from the casing. As you can see, follow the same process and your sausage will come out really nice. I'm going to continue until I finish removing all my sausage from the casing. Now it's time for me to add my seasoning. In goes my seasoning, and then mix. Now if you want to find out the seasoning I used for my sausage, you will find out in the description below. Now it's time to wrap the egg into the sausage. Ensure it is properly rounded into a ball shape. Afterwards, set it aside. Continue the same process until you finish wrapping all the eggs. Follow the process exactly the way I did it and you will be fine. Next, I'm going to dip it into the flour, ensure it's properly coated, and next it will go into the egg, rub it in properly, and then into the breadcrumbs. When you're doing this, remember it has to be properly coated and then set it aside. Repeat the same process until it's all done. And now it's time for us to preheat our oil. As you can see, pot has been heated up. I'm now going to add my vegetable oil and allow it to heat up properly before I start frying. Now it's time to drop a Scotch egg into a hot oil. In goes a Scotch egg into the hot oil, and as you can see, it's frying nicely. Allow it to fry on one side and then turn it to the other side. Continue the same process until it's properly fried. As you can see, it's frying and coming out nicely. It's looking crunchy on the outside and the color is coming out really nice. It has fried for some time and now it is ready. Now I'm going to bring out my Scotch egg. As you can see, it is ready, it is crunchy and it is yummy. I'm also going to continue frying the rest of my Scotch egg until they are golden brown. In goes my Scotch egg. Allow to fry and then turn to the other side. Keep frying until it is ready. As you can see, it is ready and also ready to serve. My Scotch egg is yummy and mouth-watering. Look at that. My Scotch egg has been served. It is yummy, it is tasty, and trust me, you cannot go wrong with this kind of meal served with a cool chilled drink. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed? If not, subscribe, share, like, And don't forget, I'll come back next week. See you in my next video and have a beautiful new month. Remain blessed. Bye bye. Ciao.